welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week in my life video. Okay, just to start this video, I actually started filming this on Saturday because Daniel and I did a Warner Brothers studio tour, which was so fun. So I filmed sort of like the beginning and the start of the tour, but then they let us know that we weren't actually allowed to film while the tour was going on, but we were allowed to take photos. So let me roll the clips for you of the beginning of the tour. Today, Daniel and I are going on a Warner Brothers studio tour. He got me the tour for Christmas as a gift, and I'm so excited to go and see all of the sets. The only like actual sets I think I know that are there are Friends, Gilmore Girls, and Pretty Little Liars, and I think Abbott Elementary, but I don't really know anything else. So I'm super excited to see and find out like what all was filmed there, and see everything that goes on behind the scenes of the tour. So I'm gonna get ready right now, and then we're gonna be on our way. Okay, sorry if this is dark, but I just got done getting ready and I wanted to show you my outfit. So it's supposed to be really cold today. I think the high is literally 58. So I'm wearing this shirt, this white t-shirt from Cuts Women, and then this sweater. I don't know if I want to zip it up or leave it unzipped. I don't know if I like how it like falls by the pants. I don't know where this is from, to be honest. These pants, I need to lint roll them. They have cat hair all over them, but they're from Charcoal Clothing. And then I'm gonna bring my brown leather jacket too, just in case it's like extra cold. And then I think I'm just gonna wear my Sambas. And that's it. Okay, we just got into like the little lobby area for the tour, and we still have like 20 minutes until our tour starts. So there's a Warner Brothers studio store that we're gonna go look in right now. Whoa, they have Harry Potter Quidditch costumes, and it says that they were actually worn by Daniel and Rupert, which is cool. They have White Lotus stuff, which is so funny. They have literally like the hotel robe, like the crew workers uniform. This is so, that's hilarious. All the Friends stuff here. They have like a little Spirit jersey type thing. More Friends merch. Gilmore Girls. They have like Chilton stuff. Little Stars Hollow Spirit jersey. And then they have this stuff from like Dragonfly Inn. So cute. And they just have like some Warner Brothers stuff. This windbreaker is actually really cute. This is nice. Daniel's checking it out. Oh, they have like some sweat shorts. Yeah, cardigan. Ties.
Yeah, right? Like this is kind of sick.
Have a whole bunch of Harry Potter stuff. Hey. Some Death Eater stuff, and then you go into the Slytherin, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, that's me, and Gryffindor. And then they have plushies, a bunch of other little knickknacks and such. Okay, we're walking into the tour. Gives you sort of like a storyline of all the TV shows. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Going down here, that's Phoebe's guitar from Friends. There's Friends. 2.5 Men, Gilmore Girls, Big Bang Theory, George Lopez. This is into movies. Elf, Lord of the Rings. This is one of those scary movies. I can't think of the name of it right now. All this stuff. $1 Million Baby, boxing gloves. The Music Man. Oh my gosh, My Fair Lady. I'll put in some photos for you of sort of what some of the things I took photos of what we saw. So we saw the outside of the Abbott Elementary set, which was really cool to see because I just started watching Abbott and it's one of my new favorite shows. And I love it and it's hilarious. So if you guys haven't seen Abbott Elementary, you should start watching it. It's so cool and it was really cool to see. The set, we saw part of Rosewood from Pretty Little Liars, which was also super cool to see because I did just recently finish rewatching Pretty Little Liars. So we saw like the church and some parts of the town of Rosewood, which is also part of Stars Hollow from Gilmore Girls. So took a picture of the gazebo that's like in the center of Stars Hollow. We also did see like what Luke's diner looks like, but I don't think I took a photo of that either. Oh, but we did see was the diner that Emma Stone, works at in La La Land, which was super, super cool because I love La La Land. It's one of my favorite movies ever. We saw so many props. We went into their prop house. It was ginormous. It was so cool to walk around. We got to get out of the cart and like actually walk around some of the sets as well, which was super awesome to see and to look at. Then after that, we got to have lunch at Central Perk, which was like a little recreation of Central Perk, which was like a little cafe. We got sandwiches and it was super nice. And then it was self-guided after that, so we just got to walk around some of their like museum portions, see a bunch of costumes, some like set recreations from like Harry Potter and things like that. And then at the end I got to hold an Oscar, which was super cool. I'll put the picture in. It was their actual Oscar from The Lord of the Rings, which was really, really cool. It's super, super heavy. But yeah, if you guys ever are interested in doing the Warner Brothers studio tour, I would highly recommend. It was really cool, and now we're honestly looking into like what other studios we want to tour and want to look at, because it was really interesting to hear about all of like the stuff that was filmed there, past and present. And yeah. Okay, and now to today, to this week. It is Tuesday. Yesterday it was Monday and I had a dentist appointment. I was in Orange County, so it was a little bit of a hectic day and I didn't think to pick up the camera. But I did have ballet yesterday and that was super fun. I just started taking ballet classes again. I'm like in a little beginner adult class and it's so fun. I love it. But I started filming like a get ready with me series for that and I didn't get a chance to film my outfit yesterday, so I'm gonna do that today. I just filmed it, but I wanted to show you what I wore to ballet. I just started and I just posted the first one of this like sort of series of what I wore to ballet on TikTok, and I haven't even posted them on Instagram yet, so this is your YouTube exclusive. But this is what I wore. Some people in my class wear like a leotard and tights, and then some people wear like more just like athletic wear, and so I in the beginning did like more athletic wear. This is sort of a mix of both. I might get some leotards and tights just because they're so cute to like have a different variation of outfits, but this is what I have for now. This I just wore this into class. I didn't wear it during class, but everything else I kind of wore during class and then would take off layers if I got hot. But this is the Castle Cutie zip up from Castle X Wild Arena. I actually wear this jacket every day, like I'm not even kidding. This wrap top is from We Wore What. They just had like a new athletic ballet wear sort of line, and so that's from there. This white tank top is from Garage, and then I'm just wearing a Lulu sports bra with it. These sweats are from Ballet Canvas, and I don't think that you can get them anymore, but they're really nice, just like little jogger pants. I'm just wearing capri leggings underneath. And then to class I wore these slippers because my class is at night and it's freezing. And then obviously I changed into my ballet shoes, but this is what I wore for the class. It's been so fun doing class again because I haven't taken ballet since I was like in elementary school, and like just kind of coming back to like the roots of dance and like getting, you know, my posture correct and everything like that has been so fun. And then just dancing again. I might start doing tap as well at this studio, and then there's like another studio that I might do like some like jazzy or like hip-hoppy sort of classes, but I don't know, we haven't gotten there yet. Right now I'm just doing ballet and I'm loving it. Welcome to the cooking segment of the vlog, because I feel like literally in every single vlog I end up cooking something or attempting to. Tonight we are making this chicken shawarma from Trader Joe's. Why does it look so smoky in here? Okay, we have these chicken shawarma thighs from Trader Joe's, and we're gonna make like a little shawarma like Mediterranean bowl for dinner tonight. So I'm just gonna put these in the oven. That's what it says to do on the package. So how can I mess this up? Okay, now we're going to cut up some onion and cucumber to go with the bowls. I don't know if I just want to put straight onion and cucumber or if I kind of want to make like a little salad with, oh, I can add an avocado to it too. like with avocado and then like some olive oil and vinegar and some stuff. We have tzatziki too and feta. This is the little salad mixture thing that I made, and then this is the Trader Joe's tzatziki that we're gonna use, and the feta for on top of the bowls. I also made some rice, and now I'm waiting for the chicken to be done. It's almost done, and then I think once Daniel gets home, he'll cut it up and everything. Okay, and this is the final product. We got the chicken, the little cucumber, onion, avocado salad, tzatziki, and rice, and I am so proud of myself. Hello, it is the next day now, and it is a lot later in the day, and I am about to start getting ready because I'm going to dinner tonight with my friends Cassidy and Kenzie, who I've known since middle school, so it's always super fun and funny to get together with them. I'm super excited. We're going to this really yummy Italian place, so I'm gonna get ready right now and get dressed, and then we're gonna head over there. Oh, it's a photo shoot now. Oh, I was not ready for that. It's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot. Look at this. Ooh. Yeah.
The beef ragu?
I don't know what this is.
Oh, yes, work. Oh, he's giving us a runway fashion show.
You can make anything a runway.
Hello guys, it is now Friday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I quite literally did nothing besides work, so didn't pick up the camera. It is a lot later in the day now though, on Friday, and Daniel and I are getting ready to go to dinner with his directors from work to celebrate his promotion. Daniel got a promotion, so super exciting. And we're going to like a steakhouse restaurant place that I've never been to before, so I'm super excited. But let me show you our outfits. I'm gonna see if I can get him to show you. So this is my outfit for that night. This little tank top is from Luna B. I'm not sure the brand, but that's where I got it from. These pants are Dairy Boy because they're literally the only low-rise jeans that I have. I need to get some like lighter wash ones and different ones, but I loving low-rise with like longer tops nowadays. And then I'm wearing these boots that I have no idea where they're from. Oh no, it got dark. And then my jewelry, these earrings are also from Luna B. And then this watch was my mom. Okay, you want to show your outfit?
Sure.
I was gonna cut your head off because.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Sweater is from J. Crew.
Period.
Pants are H&M.
Period.
And shoes are Vans.
There's just a bottom of your shoe. Okay, my camera does not want to cooperate, but we're gonna head out now. Hello and happy Saturday. We have had the like slowest morning ever. Today I've just been sitting watching Abbott and coloring in my little coloring book. We got back really late yesterday from dinner, so we kind of woke up late today and have just been really lazy. But I think in a little bit we're gonna go to the grocery store because we need to get a couple things, and later tonight we're gonna go to Emma and Drew's to watch the Laker game. And I think Daniel's gonna make some guacamole and we're gonna have a little get together to watch the game. And then tomorrow is the Grammys, and I'm so excited. Something about me is I literally love award shows. So I think we're gonna get a few things at the grocery store for that because Cassidy's gonna come over and we're gonna all watch it together. And yeah, that is our weekend. Okay, we just got back from the store and Daniel is already starting on the guac, and I thought I would show you how he makes it. What are these ingredients for your avocado? I mean your guacamole, your avocado.
Red onion, jalapenos, no seeds, cilantro, avocados, and chipotle chili peppers, and then we have some limes here as well.
Super smooth. I do not cut things that well. Guacamole taste test time. That is very good, sir. This is the final product. It looks so good. It is so good. I already tried it. I wanted to show you how cute this slim cup is that Melanie got me. I don't know if you can tell, but it has Mickeys on it. It's like a matte cup, but then the Mickeys are like shiny. don't know if you can see very well. But it's super cute. Hi, it's me and Emma.
Why do we look like the same person?
We're watching the Laker game and we just ordered Thai food. And I brought some games over too, so we might play a game later. We already ate, but we got some tom kha soup from a Thai restaurant for dinner, and we crushed it. Hello and happy Sunday. It is around 2 o'clock now on Sunday. Just spent the morning hanging out. We tidied up the house a little bit because Cassidy's coming over in like 30 minutes to watch the Grammys. The Grammys are today. I'm so excited. I love award shows, award season. It's like literally my favorite. I don't know why, but especially the Grammys just because I'm a little bit more invested in the music and everything. I love like the TV shows and like the Golden Globes, the Emmys, the Oscars, everything, but I just don't watch as well. I watch a lot of TV, not as much movies, which I try to watch more of the Oscar nominated movies because the only one that I had seen was Wicked, obviously. So I watched The Substance, and let me tell you, it was the grossest movie I've ever seen in my life, but it was really good. Like, Demi Moore had a phenomenal performance. The movie was just yucky, but it was good, but it was just like gross. Like, I had to like fast forward so many times and cover my eyes because I just can't do that kind of stuff. However, the movie was good, like the plot and everything, and like the acting was really great. We'll see if I see any more before the Oscars happen, which I believe are in March. But today's Grammys, I'm rooting for all of my girlies. I'm so excited. Billy, Sabrina, Chapel, like they're all nominated. So we'll see. It was a big year for pop music especially, but for music in general. So this is gonna be a good one. Chapel just won Best New Artist. Okay guys, that is going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because that is where I'm the most active. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.